let's make sure your website looks good on mobile. As a rule of thumb, you want to design your site in desktop mode like we've done here, and then you want to click the mobile phone toggle at the top to switch into mobile view and make sure everything still looks good. The edits that you make in the mobile view will only affect the mobile view. So here we can see the header doesn't look all that great, and maybe I don't need this social bar on mobile. I'll hide this. I'll adjust the header height, and you can continue making tweaks so that everything looks good. This can take a while to go through your site and make all the changes so that mobile looks good, but in my opinion, it's time well spent. Lots of people will visit your website using a mobile device, so it's important to get it right. Another thing you'll notice on mobile is a Quick Actions button here. Click it to open the Quick Action bar. In the floating menu, you can set up Quick Actions. By default, I see this chat, but we can add things like phone and email so people can reach you with one tap on the action bar. To add those actions, click More Actions, and you'll see the whole list of available items. If I add the phone, I can select it, use the three-dot menu, and set it up. And I'll click Done. If I close this menu, you'll now see the message and phone icon under the action bar. When you're happy with all your mobile edits, you can scroll back up and return to desktop view.